Hey everyone, what if I told you that understanding the rupee's value is as simple as running a coffee shop? Let's brew some clarity on Neer and Reer and solve a UPSC previous year question. First, meet Neer, the nominal effective exchange rate. Think of it as your menu price. Fix this in your head. Neer means menu price of the coffee. If the price of our Indian coffee goes from rupees 100 to 110, then our Neer has increased. This means that the rupee has appreciated. It's now stronger, which means 1 rupee can buy more units of foreign currency. Simply put, a higher Neer means menu price is up and the rupee appreciates. Rupee appreciation is rupee getting stronger. Now the tricky one, Reer. Reer is the real effective exchange rate. Now let's add the inflation. Inflation in India means our cost for beans, milk, and rents are rising. To keep the menu price again at 100, we are forced to use cheaper beans and give a smaller cup of coffee. The real value you got for your rupees 100 has gone down due to inflation, the cost rising. This is what Reer measures, the real effective exchange rate. Now think about exports. A foreigner buyer will pay in dollars. If our coffee offers worse value, they'll say, my dollar does not buy as much Indian coffee as it did before. Due to inflation, they will now go to a better, cheaper cafe like the Vietnams or some other country. This is a loss of trade competitiveness for India. So a rising Reer is a bad news. Now let's look at the UPSC previous year question. Please pause and read each statement carefully. Statement 1, let's check. Neer is the average exchange rate. If it increases, the rupee is stronger. This is the definition of appreciation. So this is correct. Statement 2, we just learned that a higher Reer, REER, means our exports are less attractive. Our competitiveness worsens. It does not improve. This statement is otherwise. Therefore, it is incorrect. Statement 3, if India's inflation is higher, our real value plummets even if the nominal rate is stable. This widens the gap or causes a divergence between the stable Neer and the falling Reer. This is textbook economics. So statement 3 is correct. Therefore, only statement 1 and 3 are correct. The key takeaway is the rising Reer is a red flag for the economy, signaling eroding competitiveness. If this brought some clarity, hit like and follow. Suggest the next topic.